Hello my fellow riders and welcome back to Riding Reviews. Today we're going to be taking a test ride on a Yamasaki F60 with a 72cc kit upgrade. Now as you can see, this bike is a different colour to normal. It is, I don't know what colour you want to call that, mint green. This customer who bought this bike wanted the bike to be modified slightly, so it is a mint green Yamasaki F60 with a 72cc kit on it, a C90 22mm carburetor. It used to be fuel injected, but now it is carbureted because we did find that without special technology and equipment you can't actually remap the ECU on this so that it supplies more fuel. So we decided to go with the C90 carburetor. Anyway, at the minute this bike is actually underjetted and also it has a 12 tooth sprocket on it. I do later on change it to a 13 tooth sprocket, and also I changed the jet. We go from a 72 to an 82 jet, and that just gives it that little bit more punch. Now I don't want to harp on too much about this. This is just a demonstration of what the 72cc kit will do. It does give you a little bit more torque. It doesn't give you a massive amount of top end, so just be sure that you're doing it for the right reasons. This will never be a 70-mile-an-hour motorbike. You have to do a lot more modification to this, and you might as well just go for a 125cc. What this will do is give you a little bit more torque so that you can go up and down those hills slightly better, but it's never going to be a racing machine regardless of what you do to it, unless you want to change the engine, which in theory is the same sort of thing as changing a head. It's in theory easier to change the whole engine than it is to do a big bore kit. Just add a bigger carburetor, add a bigger manifold, and just stick a brand new engine in there. The bike will run on the ECU without fuel injection. You just have to have the engine management light on that you can't turn off. But to get around this, you can actually just change the clocks for a non-EFI set of clocks, and you don't have to deal with the engine management light. Remember, if you do this and you take it in for an MOT, engine management light on nowadays is actually classed as an MOT failure, so make sure you remember that. The things that we changed on this bike in particular, so it is a big bore kit, but you can get two different types of big bore kit. You can get the big bore kit that comes with a 72 barrel and piston, or you can get the big bore kit that comes with a 72 barrel, piston, carburetor and head. That's the one you want to go for, because if you go for just the barrel and piston, you're not going to have enough space for those gases to come in and those gases to go out, so you're not going to gain as much as you would with a full setup. Remember, this isn't a two-stroke, and it is a little bit harder to do barrel and piston and head change on these, because you do have to get the timing exactly right. If you get it wrong, chances are you're going to really mess up your engine. So make sure you do that. Anyway, I'm going to shut up now so you can hear the final part of this video. But as always, ride safe.